And then he quotes this verse from the Govinda Lilamrita. At least this is inserted here by Krishna's Kaviraj. Namam Buddha Lasal Dyotir Navatadin Mano Yambara. Suchitra Murali Spurach Charad Amanda Chandranana. Mayoradala Bhushita Subhagatara Hara Prabha. Subhagatara Hara Prabha. Se me Marana Mohan Sakhi Tanoti Nature Sriham. Se me Marana Mohan Shakti Tanoti Nature Sriham. Oh Sakhi, holy Shakti. The luster of Krishna's body is more brilliant than that of a fresh rain cloud. And Sham's yellow dress, Pitambara Dhoti, is more attractive than newly arrived lightning. A peacock feather decorates Krishna's head, and on his neck hangs a lovely necklace of brilliant pearls. Krishna holds his charming flute to his lips, Suchitra Murali. His face looks as beautiful as the autumn moon. Charad means Sharad. Charad Amanda Chandranana. By such beauty, Madan Mohan, the enchanter of Cupid, is increasing the desire of my eyes to see him. And he continues. Navagana Snigdavara Dalit Anjana Chikana Indivara Nindi Sukumal Jini Upamanagan Hare Sabhara Netraman Krishna Kanti Parama Prabha. Krishna Kanti Parama Prabha. Mahaprabhu continued, Navagana Snigdavarna. Sri Krishna's complexion is as shiny and beautiful, as polished as powdered eye ointment. Anjana Chikana. Dalita Anjana Chikana. Navagana Snigdavara. It's like a new rain cloud. It's so shiny. Krishna's complexion surpasses the beauty of a newly formed rain cloud and is softer than a blue lotus flower. Indivara Sukomala. Means Komala means soft. Komal means soft, and Sukoma means very, very soft. Krishna's complexion is so pleasing that it attracts the eyes. Jini Upamanagan Hare Sabara Netraman. Krishna Kanti Parama Prabha. And it's so powerful, Prabha, that it defies all comparison. Krishna Kanti Parama Prabha, supreme beauty of Krishna. So what beautiful choice words Radharani is using to glorify the beauty of Krishna. As the gopis in the Rasa Lila chapter 29 verse 39 are so beautifully glorifying. This is a further expansion. Because Lord Chaitanya, he goes on, says, Kahan Saki ki kari upay, Krishna Bhuta Bhalahaka, Mora Nature Chataka, Na Deki Piyase Mare Jai. Oh Saki, please tell me what I should do. Krishna is as attractive as a wonderful cloud. My eyes are like chataka birds. And not seeing this cloud, I am dying of thirst. Piyas, like piyal, you say piyal, drinking a piyasamari. Piyasamari. My eyes can't see Krishna, they die of thirst. That's a pretty desperate situation, like the chatiki bird. If he does not see the rain cloud and drink the water from that rain cloud, then he will die of thirst. So the chatakas in my eyes, they're living on the sweet rasic darshan of Krishna's face and form. And being denied that darshan of Krishna, then my eyes are dying of thirst, burning in separation. Sudamani pitambara stiranahi nirantara muktahara bakapanti bhal Indradano shiki paka upari dijache deka ara dano vajayanti mala. Krishna's yellow garments look exactly like restless lightning in the sky. The pearl necklace on Krishna's neck looks like a line of ducks. There's very white ducks flying through the blue sky. So the blue sky is Krishna's beautiful Chikana Vaksha, shining blue chest, and the pearl necklace draped across his broad, powerful chest looks like a row of ducks flying through the sky in a formation, as they do sometimes. And he's adorned with a Vaijayanti garland of forest flowers. Moralira, Kaladwani, Madhuragar Janashuni, Brindavani Nachi Mayurachai, Akalanka Purnakal, Lavanya Jyotsna Jalamal, Chitra Chandra Tahate Udhai. The glittering of Krishna's body is as beautiful as the glow of the rising spotless full moon. And the sweet artistic sound of Krishna's Murali. Moralira Kaladwani. Madhura Garjana Shuni. Sounds exactly like the sweet thunder. And when the peacocks hear that sound in Vrindavan of Krishna's Murali, they start dancing because they think that those deep, seductive, enchanting tones of Krishna's Murali, boom, 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 they think it's the rumbling of clouds, and that sound excites their hearts, and when their hearts get excited, then they express the excitement of their heart by an anubhav, nach. They start dancing, fan out their tails, the male ones. So beautiful verses describing the beauty of Krishna. These are spoken by Radharani directly. Who can describe Krishna's beauty more than Radharani? Who can describe the beauty of the lover more than the beloved? The root, the qualities, the activities, and the contribution and the power and effect of the beloved is best known, engaged, and glorified by the lover. Lila Mritavarashane Shinche Choda Bhuvane Hena Mega Jabe Deka Dila Dur Deva Janjan Pavane Mege Nila Anyastane Mare Chataka Pite Napaila. The cloud of Krishna's pastimes is drenching the 14 worlds with a shower of nectar. Sinche. Sinche means sprinkling. We had that word before. Sinche Choda Bhuvana. Choda Bhuvane. The 14 worlds. Lilamrita Varish. We want a Varish. We're not having any rain, but we hope we're getting sprinkled. Lilamrita Sinchange. We hope we're getting sprinkled with the nectar sweet rasa of Krishna's Lilamrita. Krishna Lilamrita. Lilamrita Varish. Varashane Sinche Choda Bhuvane. Unfortunately, a whirlwind appeared and blew that cloud away. This mega deka Janjan Pavane. That's far out, Janjan. Janjan is like a musical instrument also. It's a big, like the bumpers we use is called Janjan or Jampa, either one, Jampa or Janjan. Boom, 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 like that. So it says that this wind came, woo, woo, like the wind blows, where it makes. So all the clouds don't make noise, the wind makes noise. The clouds don't make noise, but when the lightning hits them, then they go, ow! Like you get stuck by a pin, you say, ow. So then it's boom! We say lightning and thunder. The cloud is not the source of the sound, the lightning is. Boom! Indra throws his thunderbolt, and the clouds say, ow! And then when they say ow, it means they go boom, 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 boom. Because they have very deep voices, clouds. So the wind came, and there were just clouds. You see sometimes big, beautiful, shiny, glistening rain clouds blowing in from the east side. You say, oh, and the Chatak hearts of the Brijvasis so dry without any rain for so many weeks and months. Oh, rain is coming. Rain is coming, rain is coming. Rain is going, rain is going, rain is gone. And the heavy clouds come in from the east, they fly overhead and they go off to Rajasthan, where it's a total desert, and they drop all the rain in the desert. Very nice. No fields, no crops, no trees, no crying Chataka birds. Is this the desert? There's nothing there. But all the rain falls there. And everyone goes, It's like Banki Bihari Darshan. When there's darshan, everyone's saying, Banki Bihari, please give me this and give me that. And people say so many prayers, Dhanam Dehi, Janam Dehi, this, that. School success, exams, pass, Dehi. Banki Bihari, please help me. So then the curtain closes. It's so beautiful. You can just close your eyes and go through a few sessions like that. Experience Thakurji as a blind man. Those that like to expand their awareness and consciousness, they try to perceive the environment in different ways, in different means also, by various inducements of different types. But just as a simple one, no side effects, simply closing the eyes and try and move around your yard and move around your apartment and pretend, I'm blind. What it would be like. So to go in a temple and see the sound of the Thakurji with your ears. Your eyes are closed. Hear the hearts of the bhaktas. Hear the reciprocation of the Thakurji. It's very nice. We've done. You can try it. It's quite a new experience. Because you don't have to have any fear to keep your eyes open, to watch out. Everyone always has their eyes open, watching out, watch out. Savdhan, savdhan, savdhan. Danger, danger, danger. It's like radar, where's the enemy airplane flying in? Well, you're standing in front of God, whether you live or whether you die, whether you burn or whether you fry. It's all in Krishna's hands. So there's no need, no tension. No tension, anxiety-free. Prabhupada said that Mandir is Vaikuntha. Vai means without and Kunta means anxiety. You made it. You're in the house of God. We were Christians, they said, this is the house of God. Thakurji Gar. Thakurji Gar, we say. House of God. So go there, close your eyes. Why are they? And then you don't pretend you know anything. Why is everyone going, And you feel how your heart jumps when they say, and your heart shrinks when they say, oh. And you're thinking, why am I feeling like, what's the cause? And you're, this fellow, he's causing everybody to say, So this is Krishna. This is a type of hide and seek also. I show myself, I disappear. I show myself and disappear. I show myself when he first joined Krishna Bhakti Marg. And then I disappeared for 10 years. I'm hiding. Can you find me? No, where are you? I'm tired of looking for you. I'm going back to college and get a PhD. That's really attractive. That means a lot to me. I'm more attracted to PhD than Krishna. Many people do, and they have all kinds of good reasons to justify it. And very good. Bhavatu. Let it be. It's all the individual. So this is what Lord Chaitanya is saying. The wind came and blew away my cloud.